crafty friends. I have a project share for you. So I just recently got this in. In fact, I got it in yesterday and I couldn't wait to create something with it and share this with you. So this is the two tags, they call it the two tags loaded bag die. And I'll show you what's in that die in just a second. But this is by KSCraft, and I purchased it on Amazon, and the price is $13.39, and they do have them in stock right now. So if you like this, you might want to get it because usually her dies sell out pretty fast on Amazon because otherwise you have to go through Ally. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. It is so stinking cute, and if you'd like, I can do a quick tutorial for this tomorrow. So anyway, first of all, the little paper collection is actually two collections from, it's Caparouge's Sketch, and they sell their digital collections for only 98 cents on Etsy. So I will have both of those collection links down below. This is from the pumpkin collection, and some of the papers are from the back collection. Okay, so, but isn't this little mummy so stinking cute? I love how it's all colored in. All I did was print it out on my HP printer, and then I cut it out on my Cricut. And I love that Cricut has print and cut. So you actually bring these little PNGs into Cricut, resize them, and then it tells the printer to print it out. And it has kind of like a line around it. One day I'll have to show you. But anyway, it's really easy and simple. I'm sure plenty of you all have done this before. I'm fairly new to it because I had previously gotten frustrated with my Cricut, and now I'm in love that I can do print and cut. I'm all about it. So anyway, these are so stinking cute. So I just used a bunch of pop dots, and right underneath here, you can barely tell. I should have probably pulled it out a little bit more. There's a spider web. And then I also popped up the little mummy, and I love how the mummy has this cute little bow on there, and she actually does have a star under there, but I went ahead and printed out one of Caparouge's bows from the collection, popped it up, and then added this little gemmy right there. Is it not stinking cute? And then I add a little bit of tulle underneath one of the lollipops. Again, that's from that same collection. Along with a little star. I popped that up as well too. I created these little banner flags from this die right here. It is by Prickly Pear. And I think it's just coordinating dies is what they call it. And this is the banners. So if you're interested in getting that. And then this I also printed out from Caparouge's collection, the Bouye, along with this little gemmy. I made a cute little straw pumpkin guy. So cute. And then this is going to be some Happy Mail. So I made some, oops, I got some extra jemmies running around there. Anyway, I decided to make two little bows. Now again, remember I was telling you yesterday, if you watch my video, that these are from Cricut, and the design is so stinking cute, and right now they're free. So all you have to do is go on, click on images, and then over to the left of the screen, it says free images for this week. And that's what you're going to click on. And so I just thought those turned out really super cute. This is from my Kawaii paper collection from Recollections. So I just wanted to let you know that. But everything else here is from Caparouge other than the cardstock. So with this bow, again, I made another bow. I put a little gemmy on it. And since like I said, I don't have my own glitter paper, I went ahead and glittered my own. And it was pretty easy to do. But I love how this little envelope, I don't know if you can see that, you got quite a little bit of space to tuck some stuff in here. And I actually used both the tags. And I'm going to show you those right now. Let me just stick this back in here real quick. In fact, you know what? I'll just put it to the side. That way we can get it out of the way. So this is how it's going to come right here. And it has KSCraft's information. She has a YouTube channel, Instagram, and a Facebook group and a Facebook page. So definitely check that out. And I'm sure you all have probably seen these guys before, but I thought in case you haven't, I will go ahead and share these with you. So I love how they have the little store tag, the store hangers right there. That's what these are. And you can pick whichever design you like. So you got, I think, 4 of those. And then you have this swap. So you could say swap, swap diva. Sorry, this is backwards, but in real life it's forward. So anyway, so you'd have swap diva or swap queen, or you could say queen of swap. I don't know. Anyway, or you could just say diva, queen, or swap. Anyway, I just thought those were really super cute. I love how Hannah designs her, and I know it's not just hers. I know she has a couple ladies who actually design these for her, but I love how they create these geared towards crafters in general with the sentiment. So I find that's really cute. So here's one of the tags, and I am in love with this cute little cloud shape. So adorable. This is the largest one, and it measures 7 inches. And we're going to say 5 inches down here. Yeah, it's about 5 1/8 inches. No, 5 inches. Sorry, yeah, 5 inches. So that's that one. And then this one is 6 inches. We're going to say by, looks like 4 1/4. So cute. So you can actually, you could create a shaker tag with this if you wanted to, just by, you know, putting out your regular one and then going ahead and doing another die and doing that. So you could totally do that and just do a shaker tag. That would be really cute. Or you can go ahead and add on the boxes. Of course, she has a box for the larger tag and then a box for the smaller tag. And like I said, what I did was I actually layered them together, and then I used the large one. So anyway, you could also create a shaker with this if you wanted to. I did not cut mine out of here because if I want to cover it up, I can easily do that just by doing a rectangle. It's not that hard to cut a rectangle, but what is hard is to keep these in line. I mean, I know you can use some tape if you want to, but for me, I'm just going to leave them inside here and keep it that way. But anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and share this little project with you. I'm so super happy how it turned out. I'm absolutely in love with this loaded tag die. Love, love, love. Anyway, guys, I hope to see you soon. If you decide you want me to do a tutorial showing you how to put this together, go ahead and leave it in the comment box down below, and I will get one out for you. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.